Once upon a time, a man tried to build a 3D printer enclosure. He searched the internet, only to find ones that take forever to print. He searched the internet, only to find ones that burn a hole in wallets. He searched the internet, only to find ones that are janky AF. It was then that he decided to build his own. Will he succeed or will he fail?
Let's start with a quick overview of the enclosure. This jumbo measures about 570 by 615 by 860 mm. It is made by stacking 2 cardboard sheets. The idea is to be economic but not janky AF. The enclosure is divided into 6 sections. You will need a number of things. A roll of filament should suffice. Borrowed screws from your second hand. Hinges and magnets for the doors. Wood, cardboard and PVC sheets or acrylic if you can afford. The total cost should be less than US $50, with a total print time of about 67 hours. To build the bottom section, you will need 4 A1 corners, 2 A2 front bars, 1 A3 front magnet bar, 3 A4 rear bars, 6 A5 side bars, 16 M2 by 8 screws from second hand, and 2 6 mm round magnets. Start by pre-assembling the front bars and corners. Join the pieces together with M2 screws. You can either screw in from the front or back. Then pre-assemble the rear bars. Finally, the side bars. With that, join the pieces to build the bottom section. Set the front bar. Add the sides, the rear, and that's it. To build the mid-bottom section, you will need 6 BD1 rear bars, 2 BD2 left bars, 2 BD3 right bars, 1 B1 bottom left bar, 1 B2 bottom right bar, 12 M2 by 8 screws, 4 M3 by 4 screws, 2 1-inch hinges, and 3 A2 cardboard sheets. Pre-assemble the rear bars. For the left bars, make sure that the hinge is at the bottom. The same for right bars. Make sure that the hinge is at the bottom. Now to add the pre-assembled bars. Attach the rear bars to the bottom section. Cut the cardboard to fit. Just slot in the A2 cardboard sheets as it is for the left and right. Lastly, add the hinges. For the middle section, you will need 2 C1 rear connector, 1 C2 left connector, 1 C3 right connector, 6 C4 groove sidebar, 6 C5 sidebar, 3 C6 groove rear bar, 3 C7 rear bar, 25 M2 by 8 screws, 4 M3 by 4 screws, and 2 1-inch hinges. Pre-assemble the rear bars. Make sure that the groove is on the inside of the enclosure. The same for the left and right bars, grooves on the inside. Lastly, simply stack the middle section on top of the enclosure. Add the hinges. The middle top section is the same as the middle bottom, but the hinges are at the top instead. For the top section, you will need 4 E1 corners, 2 E2 front bar, 1 E3 front magnet bar, 3 E4 rear bar, 4 E5 side bar, 1 E6 left bar, 1 E7 right bar, 3 E8 groove horizontal bar, 3 E9 horizontal bar, 23 M2 by 8 screws, 2 6 mm round magnets, 2 A2 cardboard sheets. Pre-assemble the front bars. The rear bars. And horizontal bars. Mount the rear bars. Add 2 side bars and cut the cardboard to fit. Mount the left, right, and horizontal bars. Lastly, cut another cardboard to fit and mount the remaining pieces. There are a lot of parts for the doors. This is for the left door. 4 F1 corner. 6 F2 vertical bar. 4 F3 horizontal bar. 1 F4 left bottom bar. 2 F5 center bar. 1 F6 left top bar. 1 F7 center horizontal bar. 1 F8 center horizontal bar. 8 F9 vertical cover. 2 F10 vertical center cover. 4 F11 horizontal cover. 2 F12 center cover. F13 door knob. 35M2 by 8 screws. 6M3 by 4 screws. Lastly, 1M2 by 12 screw. Start building the door by joining the bottom corners and horizontal bars. Attach the left bottom and vertical bars. Cut an A3 cardboard sheet to fit, or add a PVC sheet later. Close off the bottom section with the center bars. On the right side of the center bar, use the M2 by 12 screw and attach the door knob. Add the left top and vertical bars. Cut an A3 cardboard sheet once again. Complete the door with the remaining corners and horizontal bars. Simply mount the door to the enclosure using M3 by 4 screws. The right door is exactly the same as the left, just rotated 180 degrees. Put your 3D printer in the enclosure. With that, the Not-So-Janky lightweight enclosure is complete.